What's going on, boaters? We just got in a fresh new trade, a 2023 Chris Craft Launch 27. This boat is in really good condition. It's powered by a Mercruiser 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower with only 111 hours on it. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the back, you have your swim platform. It does have a washdown system back there as well. You have your nice big sun pad area. It does come with cushions to cover up the wood, so you have a comfortable spot to sit when you're just parked relaxing. You have your wraparound seating with your mini fridge in here, so you can keep those drinks and snacks cold all day long. You also have the option to put up the wood table right here. You have your co-captain and captain seats with bolsters. It does come with a private head on here. You have your bow close-off door and wraparound seating up here in the front. You also are going to have your windlass anchor off the front. You're going to want to come and check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's get you out on the water this summer.